Hi everyone, Mavic52 here with an enormous box here that just arrived from Staples yesterday. This cost me £109.99 and it's my new chair for my PC that I'm gonna be using later on. So this is gonna be the unboxing video for this, and then I will do a what do you call it?
Putting together.
Pulling together video after. So this is just the unboxing video of this chair. So that's on the front. If my cameraman can come forward. Stylish and comfortable. So yeah, so here we go. I got a trusty knife and it is so hot today. It's about very humid, so I'm actually melting at the moment. So we got parts for this. So the first thing to come out is the handrails. So the proper stainless steel with leather. Second item to come out is another handrail. Not handrail, armrest. That's the second one to come out. Well, and you can smell the leather on this chair. It smells gorgeous. So here's the bottom bit. There's the bottom bit.
Called the seat.
There's the back bit of it. And here's the thing that goes up and down the pedal. Here's the wheels. There's a base for it. Wow. And the last thing to come out is all the instructions and the bits for it. I will put a link description in the thumbnail where I bought it, and I will put a description in my old account to tell people I got a new account that is called Mavic Productions, and this is just, I will do the following up later of what it's like to sit down on it. So I hope you enjoy this.